So right now we are on our way to 419, the construction project that we're building right now, to go check on the progress, because I know the brick is being laid today and I want to see updates. I want to see what that looks like. I went for a run this morning. I went for a walk this morning, chill out. I got some coffee and I got some cookies, so I was like, let's go check out what the progress looks like. There's a lot of new build homes. There's the brick going in, it's being laid in, it's looking really good. I'm excited. Yay! We're coming to the just to check on the progress in here. I was saying we have plastic, and I need to come and work on this. I need to help the arrow out because I haven't done it. When light fixtures start going in and air conditioning ducts or grills start getting placed, that all of this is not, like, when the mess eventually falls down, we're not gonna have a mess on the floor. Things won't be ruined or dirty, and it'll just be for easier cleanup. So here's some of the tile, and then here's this beautiful tile. That is gorgeous. Look at that, beautiful. We've got some more tile hiding out there, and we've got some more tile here. Beautiful. All right, so now I'm on my way to go look at where we get our packages delivered, because I keep getting notifications from Wayfair that my packages are delivered. So like, it's like notifying me per light fixture. So that's a lot of them, and I keep getting a ton of notifications. So we're gonna go see how many have been delivered and go pick them up. Okay, sorry about this. This road is terrible. Like, you would think that with the houses all raging in the 300,000s in Del Rio, they would make the roads just a little bit smoother, a little bit glidier, not so shaky. Alright, so let's get to the unboxing of all the light fixtures that I just picked up today. These are just the ones that arrived today, so I just gotta go to the mall, check them, make sure that they are what I ordered indeed, and that they're not broken. We've got some stuff. Oh, and I got a base right there. Okay. And what sucks though is that all this is super messy, and now I'm gonna have styrofoam all over my house. All right. Ooh, these are big. Okay. So the first one is, I ordered 4 of these. I'm trying to open it. It is the light fixture for the master vanities. These are going to, these are gonna hang obviously from the ceiling, but they're gonna be by the mirror. So I like them. They're bigger than I anticipated. I honestly thought these were gonna be so much smaller. Like, I thought they were gonna be like this big. So these are pretty big. I don't think I'm a fan of just the cord. I might just go by poles to like make these straight. I don't know if that makes sense. So we got one down. Let's do the rest. Let me find somewhere. All right, so let's do this giant box. I thought I saw a photo of what this one is, and I'm excited. This is going to be for the breakfast nook. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. Oh, I love it. Okay. All right, look at this monster. So this is heavy and this is amazing. So this is gonna go for the in the breakfast nook. It's a heavy piece of metal. Basically, it is a wheel. It's gonna have 3 lights, so you can see there, and it'll hang. And I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Here is the top for the roof. And yeah, oh my gosh, so pretty. So gorgeous. And so this was actually a toss-up because for some reason on Wayfair, they showed this light fixture with a bronze inside coating, and it was pretty too. I'm like, okay, we're just gonna see what happens. If it works, if it comes this way, if it doesn't, I don't know, because in all the reviews, people said, mine came with the gold. Some said mine didn't come with the gold. I don't care about it, I just didn't. Like, I just wanna note that. So I was like, this is gonna be a toss-up. I don't know if mine's gonna come with the gold on the inside, like the bronze color. That just kind of gives it a more modern look. But this is probably a safer choice that it just came in black. I kind of got lucky that way. That way it's not too like, oh, where did that color come from? Is it tying into the house enough? At least it's black and I don't have to worry about that. But I'm excited. She's so cute. She's massive. She's 3 lights. She's heavy. She's sturdy. She sounds pretty. And it's gonna look so pretty hanging above a round breakfast nook. Oh, it's gonna look so good. All right, so I will have to go through all the boxes, but I'm just gonna show y'all each one individually because I doubt y'all care if all 4 came out perfect of however many I ordered. Oh my gosh, this is big. This is big. I think I ordered 3, which is good because I'm concerned on the size of this. This is huge. This is massive. OMG. I mean, fabulous, but also, oh my gosh. This is kind of big. I mean, look at this thing, it's huge. I did not expect it to be this big. I mean, it's going to, I don't know, guys. I just have to trust I'm gonna have to just trust this. It looks good. I'm concerned that it is a little bigger than I anticipated. And we're just gonna have to just like hope for the best that it looks good. I did only order 3, and the island in this kitchen is 10 feet long. So I could have done 4 light fixtures, or I could have done 3 bigger ones. So I went for the 3 bigger light fixtures option, but it is looking a little big, and I'm a little bit concerned. But I always feel like that. Sometimes, like I felt that way for my house, and some of the light fixture that's there in the hallway. I have 1 there, and then I have 2 in my like laundry master bedroom hall. I was concerned that the light fixtures were going to be a little big for the space, but then they hung up and they were perfect. So I'm just going to trust that this is perfect, and we're going to make it look like I did it on purpose. There is not a picture of it, so I'm anxious to see what is in this box. Like, I don't know, and that's what's fun, is that I really don't know what came in. I'm excited. I kind of have an inkling, but there are some other boxes in there too that, what is it? This one came in a massive wafer box. What are you? What? It came in, it's smaller. Oh my gosh, they put like a tiny box. Oh, okay. They put a so much smaller box into this massive box when they shipped all the other light fixtures as in their original boxes, so they didn't waste any packaging. But now I have an endless supply of bubble wrap. And I do like to sell stuff on Mercari and Poshmark and eBay sometimes, where like I do sell stuff there. And so I love it when I get extra boxes and packaging supplies, because I'm just like, yes, now I can, what is this? Did I order a doll? Now I saw the picture on the box, so I know what it is. So I know I didn't order a doll, but I don't know what this ribbon is about.
This is a light fixture. I actually got the smaller version of this light fixture last night. But this is going to go in one of the bathrooms for like one of the public bathrooms. One of just the main bathrooms. Okay, I slightly freaked out because I saw this and they're all like this, and I'm like, don't tell me that they're not clear. But they're not clear. I mean, they're not frosted, they're clear. I was so concerned. I thought they were gonna be frosted white, and I was like, you've gotta be kidding me. That's not what I thought I ordered. Don't tell me I messed up. But no, we're good. These are the panic attacks that I have because I'm like afraid that things will come out wrong, and then I'm gonna have to deal with shipping or deal with returns, or that it was my own mistake because I didn't read something properly, which is 1,000 times worse. Let's see. Okay, let me construct this and then I'll show you what this looks like. All right, so here she is. How gorgeous is she? Yes, mama. Yes. Beautiful. This is what she looks like. So this is gonna go in the bathroom with a bigger vanity, not the master bathroom, but one of the other bathrooms. This will hang in the bigger bathroom. So beautiful. So these, don't forget that you always have the option to just, you can flip them this way if you want, you can pretty much do whatever you want, right? Ooh, this would be pretty on the sides. Like if you have two, yeah, whatever, no. So yeah, you can flip them this way, but we're gonna obviously go for this direction because I like this better. Last night, this light fixture came in as well, but just in two because I have a smaller bathroom with a smaller vanity, and I didn't trust that this was gonna fit all the way or looked proper. I didn't want this like backed up into a wall. I wanted it to look more centered and not just like stuck to a wall and then it was gonna look off. I couldn't ensure that that's not what was gonna happen. So I ordered just the two set like this, just so that we've got still light in that bathroom, but it looks prettier or looks more centered and stylish than this jammed up against the wall, hoping that it looks centered, but it's not. So yeah, that's what I ordered. And now I gotta disassemble everything. I gotta run through, or I gotta check through all the other boxes to make sure all the light fixtures that are just duplicates of what I've shown y'all are correct. Nothing is broken, nothing is off, everything is there. And I gotta disassemble this thing, which was a pain in the butt just putting it together. And now I also gotta make lunch. So thank you for following my day. It was fun talking to y'all, seeing y'all. I like this method better than doing stories, but stories are always easier for me, so we're gonna see how I put this together. I hope to see y'all soon, and thanks for following. Bye.